Make a wish upon a star. Your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far, and now you're close enough to feel it. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and me.
Look at Tinkerbell.
Good evening. Tonight we gather in a most enchanted place, one overflowing with the magic of dreams come true. Those who venture here filled with hope, in search of this magic, leave inspired, changed by what they discover. If you dare to embark on this journey, you too may find what you seek, and perhaps something even greater, so long as you simply believe.
I remember someone told me
fairy tales can come true.
you gotta make them happen.
It all depends on you.
This little town can slow you down,
People taking the easy way.
but I know exactly where I'm going. Closer, closer every day. I'm almost there.
I'm almost there,
People out here think I'm crazy.
but I don't care.
Trials and tribulations,
I had my share.
but I've climbed the mountain. I've crossed the river.
I'm almost there.
I'm almost there.
means that you have everything you need to make all your dreams come true. Anything is possible, for you are the magic.
Oh, just believe it and close your eyes. You can go anywhere white soar. Yeah.
It's your imagination.
are the magic.
Thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular Disney Enchantment, presented by Pandora Jewel.
That's what we just said.
We invite you to enjoy the rest of your evening here at the Magic Kingdom.
I guess we'll have to wait and see if ticket no flies park. I can let it run for a little bit while I'm waiting for the crowd to clear out, guys. I'm going to post it to YouTube. I'll put it Disney with today's date, so just search that. Give me a day or so to get it uploaded. I have an account on there, but I got to get into the camera. I'm still broadcasting, so I don't remember what I have it over. Right. I also put FL Red Dragon, which is my TikTok handle. Not a problem.
Where are you going?
Buffered a couple of times. How was the audio on it? Say again, you're... well, I had it zoomed out because the fireworks in the background, I wanted to catch that. All right, I got actually, somebody sent gifts and diamonds. But I didn't have that many viewers, which surprised me. I only had 31 viewers on this one. But what it is like when it first starts, you just do that continue tapping on the screen for likes. I got to get everybody I know that's doing that, because the more likes you get, the more it pushes it in the algorithm. Yeah, if you're watching a live, the more you tap, the more likes it sends. All you gotta do is tap the screen. I had a couple people offering to buy the video from me, and I'm like, I'll post it to YouTube. Well, but the lives don't stay in my videos because they're too long. Yeah, all that goes into the my profile. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. I gotta remind Holly and David, do that also, because I saw David log in. No idea. See you. Maybe that is one of David and Holly's people. And now you can see the carousel through the castle. That lady put her arms down. All right, well, I'm going to wait for this mass of humanity to clear out. Then I'll head home. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end the live. I love you. Bye. Thank you all. I appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and end the live now.